Corner marshals are ready,
It's a good thing.
and the drivers are ready.
First and then
We're going racing
go
in less
back
than
in.
5.
As long as he does, but he's done. See, he did.
12 skill on. Make sure to move out to your corner marshal spot now. Don't just relax on the ball back there. Hey,
Well, let the cars go by. Let the cars go by.
wait until the cars pass now. And run.
Run, Forrest, run.
Cool. What are you doing? Todd's all over.
Mason out in
Todd's all
front.
over Jacob.
What is that?
Oh.
I got my ticket. It was for first place.
So, looks like we need an alternative mid-lap here for the first one.
Nice. I knew I'd win something.
Alright. Stuart Mason out in front. Jacob Cruz in second. Todd Mason in third. Score is correct now.
Nice performance.
Todd like the sound of that though. Our race leader in that light blue, 10.7. The last time I down the bag stretch. Stuart ripping around the car.
Come on, Todd.
And Todd didn't like that. Jacob in the second spot, Todd in the third, followed by Kevin Jones in the fourth position. Here, modified 12 scale out on the course, 8-minute voyage. Race number 4, VTA A1. You guys should be heading to tech.
Nope, we're all together.
130 in and 630 left to go, guys. 130 in, 630 left. Steered across the start finish line, 11.2. Coming up on Kevin.
Which body is? I used the 70 split bumper or.
Jacob Cruz in the second spot, trailing by 6.2. The orange car into the center of the course. And Todd Mason in third in the peak and blue.
Threw it in
Followed by
there.
Kevin Jones in fourth, 8-1 for Mod. 12 skill out there on the course. As I mentioned, oh man, big tap there. And it looks like Cruz and Kevin got collected. Off to the center, picked it up. And put it back and set it down at your spot. It looks like Kevin's out. Don't try to fix it, just keep marshalling. 2 down and 6 to go. Got 2 down and 6 to go. Stuart Mason out in front by 8.2 over Jacob Cruz. And then Todd still in that third spot. 15 spot for Todd. Last time by in pink and blue. So
That dart.
looks like they are only 3 out of the course now with 5 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. Stuart Mason 10.9, Jacob Cruz 10.9. Identical lap times for our top 2 last time. On that other race, at that 10.7 on lap 3. Another 10.9 for Stuart and 11.1 for Jacob. And our second place driver coming up on third. 3 down and 5 to go. Yeah, 3 down, 5 to go.
And they're all in the same part of the track.
Race leader coming up on Dad.
He gave you room.
3:15 in, 4:45 left to go. Again, 3:15 in, 4:45 left. Stuart Mason out in front by 10.8 now over Jacob Cruz. So almost a full lap lead. 10.7 to a 10.9. And that patented 44 lap run for our race leader in the blue across the start finish line. He DQ'd like a 44.804 on a 44.801 now. Get that little advantage for the first lap, just coming from the straightaway to the loop. All right, we're finally at the halfway mark here, guys. 4 down and 4 to go. 4 down, 4 to go. All 12 scale lanes are 8 minutes long today. Mason and Cruz down the back stretch, not for position. Something a lap on the entire field.
No, I didn't see him. Check it out.
Yeah, finally Stuart has something to play with here. Not for position. Come on, man, let's get away from me.
Buckle up.
That's my other car. He's getting a look in the rear axle on this world car. So the Stuart red ride, followed by the other Stuart ride. Back into the center, these two guys showing off their skills. Some of the fastest guys, you also see them in Lawn Touring. Gonna duke it out just a little later in the program for A1 and Lawn. Uh-oh. Stuart off of the dots there. Jacob's gonna make up a little ground on the race here. So Jacob, the only car still on the lead lap.
20, 30 minutes.
That just happened.
There we go.
3 minutes left to go ahead. 3 minutes left to go. 11.9.
Make it pretty,
12.7.
Stuart.
Mason 12-1. Second first cross the start finish on 11.3 with 11.2 gap
Trying to.
between them out there on the course. They're separated by 3 tenths. Maybe less than that. Mason 11.2, Cruz 11.1.
I can anticipate probably
2 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. Got 2:30 left to go. BTA is headed through tech. Race number 5. Start thinking about it. So coming up next, we got Nick Pantana, Jim, Ian, Eric, Frog, Jay Alton, Jason, John, Michael, and Tina. I know we got a lot of guys that are going to be back here marching and racing, so if you need an extra moment today, just let me know as we work our way through. 6 down and 2 to go, guys. 6 down, 2 to go.
good luck, man.
11 flat for our race leader, 11 flat for Cruz.
Nope.
Second and first. Cruz on the course and first trying to get around Jacob there. Now that's a lap. On the field, 1 minute and 35 seconds left to go. 1 minute and 25 seconds left to go here. Mason out in front on a 44 lap run still. Cruz in the second spot on a 42 lap run. And Todd Mason in third on a 40 lap run. Hot after the race, still that 10.7 from Stewart. Jacob's best lap is a 10.8. Todd Mason's best lap, 11.2. Kevin Jones' best lap, 14.5. 1 minute left to go, guys. Stewart, Jacob, and Todd. 45 seconds left. 11.5 for our race leader. 11.1 for second. Back paired up on the fourth. Light blue coming across the start finish line. Moves led the entire way. Dominated qualifying as well. Cruz in the orange, mainly racing the touring car, modified touring car class. He finished 10th in the World Championships last year. 24, 10th. He's our World Champion finalist. Todd Mason in the third spot. All the way from Seattle to join us through the middle in the pink and blue. The white flag is out. Tom, you're going with third. Jacob, you're going with second. And there's our winner, Stewart. You are done with the win. That's race, guys. Brickman shutting down. Kevin Jones got fourth. Brickman shutting down. Come back out. And quarter marshal will also be the 3 guys that I excused.